Are you getting ready for your California DMV driving test? This video is exactly what you need. We'll guide you through the most important permit test questions, written exam tips, and essential road signs to help you pass on your first try. Whether you're a learner driver or brushing up on your knowledge, this guide will make your preparation smoother and more effective. Watch until the end for all the tips you need. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss more DMV study guides and driving tips. Question 1. Using a cell phone while operating a motor vehicle is considered a distraction because A. It is an activity that draws the attention of other drivers. B. It causes the driver to be concerned about the cost of the call. C. It occupies the driver's hands, eyes, and mind. The answer is C. It occupies the driver's hands, eyes, and mind. Question 2. At a railroad crossing you must A. Watch for vehicles that must stop at all railroad crossings. B. Watch for multiple trains. C. Both of the above. The answer is C. Both of the above. Question 3. Just like alcohol and other drugs, drowsiness can A. Help you to be a better driver. B. Impair your judgment. C. Make you feel better. The answer is B. Impair your judgment. Question 4. Drivers turning left must yield to A. Oncoming cars. B. Overtaking cars. C. No one. The answer is A. Oncoming cars. Question 5. What should a driver do when approaching a traffic control signal that is not in operation? A. Drive quickly through the intersection to get out of the way of other vehicles. B. If the intersection is clear, the driver does not need to stop. C. Come to a full stop and yield the right-of-way before entering the intersection. The answer is C. Come to a full stop and yield the right-of-way before entering the intersection. If these California DMV practice questions are helping you prepare for your driving test, give this video a like to show your support. It lets us know you want more DMV study guides and tips. Question 6. This sign means A. Steep downgrade ahead. B. Truck exit only. C. Trucks entering. The answer is A. Steep downgrade ahead. Question 7. If pedestrians are illegally crossing in the middle of the street instead of in a crosswalk, you A. Must stop for them. B. Do not have to stop for them. C. Should honk your horn at them. The answer is A. Must stop for them. Question 8. You are required to stop your vehicle. A. Where there is a red traffic light. B. At any intersection where a police officer orders you to stop. C. Both of the above. The answer is C. Both of the above. Question 9. When turning left at an intersection, A. You should never yield to oncoming traffic and pedestrians. B. Oncoming traffic and pedestrians should yield to you. C. You should always yield to oncoming traffic and pedestrians. The answer is C. You should always yield to oncoming traffic and pedestrians. Question 10. Remove all snow, frost, and ice from A. All windows. B. Just the windshield. C. just the windshield and passenger window? The answer is A, all windows. How's your California DMV test prep going so far? Drop a comment below and let us know your score or the topics you're struggling with. We're here to help you get test ready. Question 11. Before stopping your vehicle at a traffic signal or sign, you should A. Set the parking brake. B. Check your mirrors for surrounding traffic. C. Press down hard on the accelerator. The answer is B. Check your mirrors for surrounding traffic. Question 12. Which of the following driving skills are affected by the use of alcohol and/or drugs? A. Alertness and concentration. B. Reaction time and coordination. C. All of the above. The answer is C. All of the above. Question 13. Which of the following statements about blind spots is true? A. Blind spots are eliminated if you have one outside mirror. B. Large trucks have bigger blind spots than most passenger vehicles. C. Blind spots can be checked by looking in your rearview mirror. The answer is B. Large trucks have bigger blind spots than most passenger vehicles. Question 14. Before switching on the ignition, you should A. Be sure all passengers have buckled their safety belts. B. Buckle your safety belt. C. Both of the above. The answer is C. Both of the above. Question 15. When driving in fog, it is best to drive with A. High beam headlights. B. Low beam headlights. C. Four-way flashers. The answer is B. Low beam headlights. If you want day-to-day DMV driving tips, permit test practice, and study guides, subscribe now and turn on the bell so you never miss our latest California DMV updates. Question 16. Drivers are required to obey instructions from A. Flaggers at construction sites. B. Security guards patrolling parking lots. C. Other drivers whose vehicles are broken down on the roadway. The answer is A. Flaggers at construction sites. Question 17. Distracted driving is A. Anything that causes you to pay more attention to driving. B. Anything that causes evasive action while driving. C. Anything that takes your attention away from driving. The answer is C. Anything that takes your attention away from driving. Question 18. When being passed by another vehicle, A. Maintain a constant speed. B. Brake hard. C. Speed up. The answer is A. Maintain a constant speed. Question 19. This bicyclist is signaling A. An upcoming stop. B. A right turn. C. A left turn. The answer is C. A left turn. Question 20. This road sign means A. A side road intersects ahead. B. All traffic must turn right. C. All traffic must go straight. The answer is A. A side road intersects ahead. Question 21. A solid yellow line on your side of the center line means A. Do not pass. B. Traffic light ahead. C. Reduce your speed. The answer is A. Do not pass. Question 22. All of the following practices are dangerous to do while driving. Which of these is also illegal? A. Adjusting your outside mirrors. B. Listening to music through headphones that cover both ears. C. Transporting an unrestrained animal inside the vehicle. The answer is B. Listening to music through headphones that cover both ears. Question 23. Night driving presents unique problems because A. The speed limit is increased at night. B. There are fewer cars on the roads at night. C. Distance and vehicle speed are difficult to judge in the dark. The answer is C. Distance and vehicle speed are difficult to judge in the dark. Question 24. This sign is a warning that you are approaching. A. A crosswalk. B. A railroad crossing. C. An intersection. The answer is B. A railroad crossing. Know someone who's also preparing for their California DMV driving test? Share this video with them and help them study smarter and pass on their first try. Question 25. This sign indicates that the road ahead: A. Curves right, then left. B. Turns sharply right, then left. C. Curves right. The answer is A. Curves right, then left. Question 26. You must obey instructions from school crossing guards. A. Only during school hours. B. Unless you do not see any children present. C. At all times. The answer is C. At all times. Interstate driving requires drivers to A. Be constantly alert. B. Have the ability to safely drive at increased speeds. C. Both of the above. The answer is C. Both of the above. Question 28. If the roadway is wet or icy, you should A. Drive at the posted speed. B. Speed up. C. Reduce your speed. The answer is C. Reduce your speed. Question 29. When you are facing a green light and there are pedestrians in the intersection: A. You must yield the right-of-way to pedestrians. B. Pedestrians must wait for you to cross. C. You have the right-of-way over pedestrians. The answer is A. You must yield the right-of-way to pedestrians. Question 30. Driving under the influence of any medication which impairs your driving is permitted. A. If you don't feel drowsy. B. If it is prescribed by a physician. C. Under no circumstances. The answer is C. Under no circumstances. Question 31. You see a signal person at a road construction site ahead. You should obey his or her instructions. A. Unless they conflict with existing signs, signals, or laws. B. At all times. C. Only if you see orange cones on the road ahead. The answer is B, at all times. Question 32. If you come across livestock or other animals on the roadway, you should A. Slow down and stop. B. Ignore them. C. Swerve out of the way. The answer is A. Slow down and stop. Question 33. Smoking inside a vehicle with a person younger than 18 years of age is A. Not restricted by law. B. Illegal at all times. C. Legal if it is your child. The answer is B. Illegal at all times. Question 34. Which of the following statements is correct? A. Use your right foot for both braking and accelerating your vehicle. B. You should always brake abruptly to ensure stopping. C. Use your left foot to brake. The answer is A. Use your right foot for both braking and accelerating your vehicle. Question 35. You must file a report of a traffic accident occurring in California when A. You are involved in a collision and there is an injury. B. You change your insurance company. C. Your vehicle fails a smog test. The answer is A. You are involved in a collision and there is an injury. Question 36. The best thing to do if you become tired while driving is to A. Drink coffee. B. Stop to rest or change drivers. C. Open a window. The answer is B. Stop to rest or change drivers. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you prepare for your California DMV driving test, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss our latest DMV tips and study guides. Make sure to tap one of the videos on your screen and take the next step toward passing your test with confidence.